Here's the
Mm.
example I wanted to show you. So there is probably the worst photograph ever taken of an old car on the left, but it's got good shape. It's got good shape, and there's actually sky detail. So processing it in a black and white, there you can see you've got some sky detail coming. And now you take this and you start to add paint to it, and you start to bring in the hand painting feel to it. This
Mm.
here is the Photoshop rendition. So I'll go back.
Mm.
And now you've got the Photoshop rendition. Now, standing on its own, if you didn't really know that, I guess you would say that's not bad. That's actually not, it's actually quite nice. It's moody, it's a
Yeah.
bit grungy, it feels quite cool. And this over here is the hand painted. So I'm going to go in a bit closer so you can see the difference. So when you work on your work by hand, when you roll up your sleeves, when you take that decision that you are going to create the art, then you start to get those textures that I was talking about earlier in the grunge. Now look at the difference. So can you see?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's the hand painted.
that's the
Yeah.
hand painting. Now you can see that it's actually all the
Mm.
errors that make it look really cool. And you can see with the Photoshop, it looks a lot more smooth. And yes, you could add the noise to it and you can do all of that, but it
Mm.
comes automatic when you work by hand. And that's where I think that's really the important part here.
Mm.